Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Meena Venkatesh, and in today's video we are going to discuss about O2C process. So without any further delay, let's get started. What does O2C process stand for? The letter O in the O2C stands for order, 2C stands for cash. Now what is O2C process or the order to cash process? This is a step-by-step process that an organization follows right from the stage of the sales order or the estimation till the time of collecting cash from the customers and the reconciliation in the bank statement. So these are the step-by-step process that involves as part of the sales transactions. Now let us understand this process with a simple example. Let us say that ABC Limited is a company which is into manufacturing of the spare parts, and ABC Limited receives a request from a customer Mr. A for supply of 1000 spare parts. Now Mr. A requests the ABC Limited to share an estimation or a quotation for this particular order so that Mr. A can decide if he can purchase from ABC Limited. So now the first step that ABC Limited does is it creates an quotation or an estimation. Now Mr. A decides whether to proceed or not with this particular estimation. Now, after let's say that Mr. A has accepted this particular estimation and he gives them an order for 1000 spare parts. Now, ABC Limited creates a sales order that this is the order confirmation from Mr. A. This order is a confirmation that ABC Limited can start manufacturing these spare parts for the delivery to Mr. A. After the sales order has been confirmed, ABC Limited starts manufacturing these spare parts. Now this is ready for dispatch. ABC Limited now takes care of the dispatching of the orders from its godown to the place of destination which is agreed between the buyers and sellers. Let us say Mr. A requested to deliver in his godown. So Mr. A receives these orders in his godowns, and after receiving this order from his end, he maintains a goods receipt note which is covered as part of the P2P process. So he maintains the goods receipt note. At the same time, ABC Limited also maintains goods that are in transit as well. After the goods have been shipped to Mr. A, and the next process that they have to do is they have to receive money from Mr. A. So for that, they raise an invoice which gives the complete details of the number of goods delivered, what is the tax involved, what is the place of destination, and what is the due date of this particular invoice. Let us say that Mr. A does not have any additional credit period. It is due upon delivery. So now after the delivery, Mr. A has to send payment to ABC Limited. So now the next process after sending the invoice to Mr. A is to receive the funds from Mr. A. Now ABC Limited will receive the funds via bank or cash, and they have to account for receipt in the books of accounts. And at the end, they will also do a reconciliation by way of a bank reconciliation whether the money that is sent by Mr. A is received by ABC Limited. So this is a complete set of process that is being followed when a sales order is executed. Right from the stage of estimation till the stage of collection from the customers is what is being covered as part of this process. So now why this process is really important? Because O2C process defines the sales in the company as well as the liquidity position by way of AR collections. Now, as part of O2C process, internal auditors usually look into the internal controls that have been set up as part of the O2C process, that is a sales process. At the same time, the statutory auditors also give an opinion on the effectiveness of these controls that are established by the organization. So it is highly important to maintain a process which is effective as well as less prone to risk. O2C process is one of the frequently asked questions for CA freshers as well as CA interns. I hope this information was really helpful. And for more such interesting videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tata, bye bye. See you all soon.